Hello, welcome to another AQA Physics A-level question, multi-choice question. If you want to choose a different question, if you hit the information card up here, it'll take you to the current electricity playlist. If you're going to do this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't, I'll explain. So a voltmeter has a resistance of 4 kilo ohms and reads 1 volt for every scale division on the meter. A power supply of 20 volts and negligible internal resistance is connected across this voltmeter and a resistor in series. The voltmeter reads 2 divisions. Well, if the voltmeter reads 2 divisions and each division is 1 volt, then the voltmeter is going to be reading 2 volts. So let's have a look. It's very unusual setup this because they've put the voltmeter and the resistor in series. So let's put the voltmeter there with this resistor in series. And what we're trying to find is the value of the resistor. And we could call that resistor R. So there's a couple of things we can put in there. We can put in the resistance of the voltmeter, which we know is 4 kilo ohms. We can put in the PD of the power supply, which is 20 volts. And then we can put another voltmeter in that will measure the PD across that voltmeter. And we're told, well, because it's 2 divisions, that's reading 2 volts. Well, if it's 20 volts supplied by the battery or by the cell, and there's 2 volts across the voltmeter, then there must be 18 volts across this other resistor. Okay, so what we should know is that the ratio of potential difference across components is equal to the ratio of the resistances the components. So we could say the potential difference across the resistor over the potential difference across the voltmeter is equal to the resistance of the resistor over the resistance of the voltmeter. Rearranging, we get the potential difference, that isn't what we're after. We're after the resistance of the resistor, which is equal to the resistance of the voltmeter multiplied by the potential difference of the resistor over the potential difference of the voltmeter. Let's put some numbers in here. The resistance of the voltmeter we're told is 4 kilo ohms. Let's remember that's kilo ohms and not ohms. The potential difference of the resistor is 18 volts. Potential difference across the voltmeter is 2 volts. Put that into your calculator and you'll get an answer of 36. Remember that was kilo ohms, 36 kilo ohms, answer B. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button, press the like button, share with your friends and watch more of them in the series. Thank you.